Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the massive fitness center at the Jefferson Parkhouse. This is really big, and you know what? This is just part of it, is what's crazy. So really cool area here. Let's take a look at what we're looking at. So this is some obviously elliptical, Stairmaster, some spin bikes that are over here. You can see some treadmills over here. And man, I'm getting out of breath just walking. Like, this is a big room. There's some kettlebells. Love the big mirror that's there. And then over here, you've got a beautiful Smith machine where you can get those bench press, squats. You've got a lot of machines in the middle for weights, for arms, chest, legs, shoulders. You've got some dumbbells that are over here. You've got just more machines here. This is really big. It's nice. I like how much space it is, and I like how much equipment is here. This is an A gym, and it's really well lighted, and it looks out over the pool. So this is an A gym. This is really nice. You're gonna like it. If you have any questions, send me a text. But we're actually gonna go across the street and look at two other things that are here in the next video. Let's go do that right now.